Okay, let's look at another problem. Let's look at problem number 24. Go ahead and read it. It talks about current and electricity. We're going to use I and the voltage. Now notice the word varies here. So I know what I'm going to do. Let's use an equal sign there. Okay, so when we do that, let's go and just set up our formula. They told us to use an I, so we'll use an I. We already have an equal. We also know that's a constant, but here we talk about inversely, so we know we're going to end up dividing by R. So let's set up this particular equation. We know that it's going to be I, which is equal to K over R, and that's our formula. Now let's begin to go on to step number 2. Here, what's going to happen, always in step number 1, step number 1, we're always trying to solve for K. So let's go now and solve for K. To solve for K, I'm going to have the I and the R, and that's exactly what they gave us. So what I have then is 5 is equal to K over 8. Now solve for K by multiplying both sides by 8. Cancels out. Now I end up with, I now have my constant of 40. Step number 2, once again, is taking the answer from step number 1 and solving for then the current. So therefore, what's going to happen, I still have the same formula, but now I know that the K is 40. I also know, because I said the resistance is 10, so I know that's 10. So therefore, what's happening is I have 40 over 10. And 40 over 10 is equal to 4. So therefore, they want to know what is the current. The current is going to be 4 amps. So therefore, I can write some sentence and say that okay, and we've answered the question that they're looking for.